American 20th Century Political History, the Open Classroom. Now, when you're in class with me, I may ask you some questions. And some will be about reading, some will be about your reaction, some will be about the lesson that's in front of you on the PowerPoint. But the main thing I want you to understand is we should be talking to each other, not just me to you. There's an old saying that goes, a good classroom is not just where you have a sage on the stage, you have a guide on the side. And that's what I intend to do. I intend to be your guide to this material. I will offer you slides and lessons and readings, but I want you to react in the classroom. I want you to come in. Now remember, your best defense against my asking you a question is you being prepared to ask me a question. Come into class, raise your hand during the lesson or before and say, whoa, Settich, if this is true, how can that be true too? Or, do you actually remember when this happened? Or, how did you feel when this happened? For example, the shooting of Dr. King, or the time I heard Dr. King speak in January of 1968 at K-State University. I want you to engage. I want you to ask me questions. And if you're looking for good defense, have a good offense, have some questions. Write them down. If I point my finger at you and invite you to ask a question that may put you at some discomfort, I don't intend that. I never intend, nor will I ever embarrass anybody in the classroom. But I do want you to pay attention, to be connected, and to be engaged. Because remember, this is all about engaging curiosity.